today is Proto.
Happy Hmong New Year's to St. Thomas University. I want everybody here to make some noise. Again, I want to say Happy New Year's to you guys. My name is Joshua Khang, also known as Proto. I'm from Sacramento, California again. I'm a Hmong American artist, just coming out here to do a little something for you guys. I want to thank St. Thomas University for bringing me out here today and perform for you guys. It's an honor and it's a pleasure to be out here. So the first song I'm about to do, this one is called Cinderella, and it's off my third album. It's called Outside the Box, sponsored by M150. So this one's called Cinderella, and it's pretty much about, everybody's been in that time where we're all in love, but you find somebody and that person leaves, which is Cinderella, and you just wait and you wonder if she's gonna come back and iron her shoes. So this one's called Cinderella.
Daddy, can I go there?
Daddy?
Dad, my daddy go there.
What you want me to say? What you want me to do? I can't stop thinking, I can't get over you. I know I love to see you smile, just stay a little longer. Baby, it's you and I. Baby, we can last forever. One kiss, baby, on your lips. Don't leave me hanging. Don't tell me this is goodbye when I just met you, girl. The night will soon be gone. Don't leave me hanging on. You left me with no clues. I thought you'd be my Cinderella. You're 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 my Cinderella. Cinderella, yeah, you're my Cinderella, you're my Cinderella. I wanna tell you what I think about the night when we first met. It's like I had a secret, and I just can't keep it no more. And you left me behind, not even leaving me a single clue. Now I'm feeling lost, what am I to do without you, girl? Cinderella, you're my Cinderella, you're my Cinderella, yeah, you're my Cinderella, you're my Cinderella. Oh, oh. You're my Cinderella. You're my Cinderella, girl, I've been falling apart since you left me. And I think to myself, I should have let you go, thinking you would leave me some clue how to find you, leaving me to realize I just can't let you go. Every day you're on my mind, can't get you out of my head, and I think I'm going crazy, 'cause you're not letting me forget. My heart was falling apart, you left me all alone. Then someday I know I'll find you, and you can be my Cinderella. You're my Cinderella, you're my Cinderella, you're my Cinderella, you're my Cinderella, you're my Cinderella. You're my center